Hi guys, you all are welcome back to my channel. My name is Paulette. I'm a YouTuber based here in the UK. Happy Christmas to all my subscribers. Thank you all for always watching my video. Thank you to all those who have watched my video the whole of this year. God bless you. So guys, right now I'm at Curry's. In fact, I want to go check a dryer. Someone called me up and said she would like to gift us a dryer for Christmas, and I was like, wow. In fact, this is going to be my best gift this year, my best Christmas gift this year. I got a lot of other gifts, but this one is the toppest. Like, this one top all of them. So just stay with me while I go check a dryer, and stay tuned while we unpack it and use it for the first time. Thank you. God bless you, and bye for now. Hey, are you free? Okay.
Nico is not bad at all.
You sure? Guys, guess what just arrived? Oh my god, I just got it delivered now. My dryer. Wow, we're going to unbox it right now. Just stay tuned. Let's unbox it together. So I've got my amazing neighbor here with me, Mr. Peter. Most of you will know him by now. He's helping me out. Best Christmas gift ever. Wow, ready to use. Yeah, I think it fits there because I haven't got space in my toilet anymore. My toilet, I have got the washing machine, so there's no space, and I have this space here in the kitchen, so why not? Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, Mr. Peter, you're my video. Wow, they already showed me in the shop how to use it, so I'm really happy. So this bits is where take out the okay, we haven't removed this yet. So this is where you take out the water, you know, when the clothes is squeezing and drying. Look at that. Wow. Is that the pipe or something? And the manual? There's another plastic now. What's that?
That one.
Yeah, there's no damage. Everything looks good. No damage. So, and this is a display button. I went for that, so in case it shows you everything, you know. Should I switch it on? Okay.
I just want to check.
Yeah, that display button is very important. It shows you how long.
Like
wow, and the sliding there. And I wanted something you could see as well, because they had some that were just, you know, covered. So I really wanted something like this, and something like this, and something like this. Wow.
What
I can't wait to use it. Just stay tuned. I'm going to do my first drying today. Sorry you guys are not seeing my face. I'm going to do my first drying today, so stay tuned and let's do that together. Oh, my clothes are dried and they are really dry, like really dry, guys, dried. Oh my god, look at dried. Wow, everything is dried. Wow, it's so huge. This is 9 kg I got. Yeah, I got 9 kg. Yeah, this is 9 kg. Where is it? This is 9 kg, so it's big enough. There's enough room in there. Wow, best gift ever.